Hey, do you know that letter S has a two sound? So let me tell you which two sound does letter S have. So letter S have one sound which is s, s, and another is z, z. So what is the rules for that? So when letter S is after a voiced consonant, a vowel or a S, it is pronounced as z, z. Let's understand this better with some example. Is, as, was, because, knew, and knows. In this all, letter S has a z sound. And when letter S is after an unvoiced consonant, it is pronounced as s, s. Let's understand this better with some examples. Frogs, friends, jobs, and maths. In these all, S sound is s, s. Thank you.